transformative power of education was the driving force behind her foundation. Through her generosity, she not only provided financial assistance, but also empowered us to dream beyond our circumstances. Her support wasn't just about finding it, it was about instilling the confidence that education could break the chains of limitation.
Daktari Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation went beyond monetary assistance. It extended a compassionate hand that lifted us during moments of doubt. Her genuine interest in our academic and personal well-being created a support system that transcended financial aid. We were not just recipients, we were embraced as part of a larger family, and our foundation became a symbol of solidarity and encouragement. Today, as beneficiaries of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation, we stand as living testimonies to the impact of her philanthropy. From classroom to careers, her investment in our education has borne fruits, enabling us to pursue our passion, contribute to society, and strive for a brighter future. In expressing our gratitude, words often feel inadequate to capture the anonymity of the impact Madam Lizzie had on our lives. Her foundation wasn't just funding education, it was inventing in human potential, resilience, and the belief that every student, regardless of her financial constraints, deserves the chance to shine.
To change all of a sudden.
How are you?
We are mourning, but the whole country is mourning, and yet tumepoteza order. If it is not for Liz, many of us could be useless. But because of her, many of us, we are useful. Personally, before nikuje Nibs, I was a fool. But now look at me, I'm full of praise just because of Madam Liz. Liz amefanya watu wengi wapate future. Liz amepanguza wazazi wengi machozi. Liz amefanya familia mingi zikuwe successful. Liz amefanya familia mingi zipate unga. Mimi nimekosa maneno ya kumwambia asante.
If you follow Madam Liz Wanyoike footsteps, you will not be lost. Last thing I can ask you, did you love Liz? Did you love Liz? Did we love Liz?
Yes, we did.
Madam Liz alikuwa sensitive ikikuja ni kwa character. Every day, make sure you have a good character. Let me mention her character traits. She was loving, she was kind, she was caring, she was there for everyone. Say one word to her. Say one word to her.
She was a teacher, she was a mother, she was loving, she was kind, she was... I have no word to say to her. Juu alikuwa mzuri kwa sisi wote. Liz, we loved you, but God has loved you more till we meet again. Kitu ya mwisho naweza kumbuka kwa mom alitupostia, hebu mark your Bible at Mark 11 verse 24. Inasema, whatever you ask for in a prayer, believe that you have received. Mimi leo my prayer is ni graduate na milango zangu zifunguke. Hakuachia hapo, akasema may God answer all you have prayed for, alafu akatuish have a wonderful Sunday. Hizo ndizo maneno zake. Kuna watu walipita hiyo post, kuna watu wali blue tick, kuna watu wali green tick. Lakini sai, make sure umeilike juu I like what she have done to us.
Let us be upstanding and sing this song one more time to her.
song to her. It's been a long way without you, mama, and that's